A 66 Corvette, the second year for big blocks to be available in them. And this one has a big block. Oh yeah, 427. The last of the internal balanced big blocks for size. I mean, 454 is not internally balanced. But what do you see wrong with this restoration job? This is something back in my restoration days I would never do. Look at this. Do we not know what masking tape is? And this is all going to be burned off real quick. So it hasn't been ran much. But look, even on the other side of this, and that's not a very good job either. I mean, Eastwood, you could bring this all back. They got the paint with the green and red zinc to look cadmium again. You could even do this cadmium. But anyway, lovely, isn't that? They did mask it. Look at that. Oh, wonderful. Maybe they did. I don't know. No, they didn't. That's not a fan. Not a fan. But this is Mecum. And you'd think it wouldn't be stuff like this. Other than that, you know, she's a real beautiful car, though. I'll give her that. Love her. And with these monstrous wide tires in the back, I'm being so facetious. You gotta ride the clutch a little bit to get some traction. Remember the song by the Beach Boys? Okay. And this one, they're expecting this to go for $1 million. Richard Petty. And in Middletown, New York, when I was 6 years old, so that's what, up to 71, 70 somewhere. So there was a yellow one of these in our hometown. Yes, Plymouth Superbird, yellow one, and I'll never forget it because the first time I saw it, I saw the wing go by, and I saw the Roadrunner on the back. And I was a huge fan of Bugs Bunny Roadrunner, and still am. So I fell in love with this car. Let's take a look at the dash. Jimmy Christmas. You gotta go for a little bit of money, this one. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. A lot of people don't like them. I do.